Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When we put about 1 over 2 gone here and here, this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we have 1 over x. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have number 1. This one you got number 0. And now we put 1 over 2 gone here. And this one we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.